All right. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, TheSpyGamer, here for a little tutorial to teach you guys how to make a freaking bind. So, if you're gonna want to make a bind for BlueBot, all you're gonna have to do is go into Audacity, record a sound. If you want to record directly from your computer's sound card, if you got a Windows PC, you can just click on this, go from MME down to Windows Wasapi or whatever it is. Change the output to your speaker system. Ooh, check that out. And then play a song, a sound, not a song, but I'll record 2 seconds of a song illegally because that's the kind of place we're in right now.
I know in a bit. Hey.
Okay, so we got about 3 seconds of Uber everywhere. Then we play it back just to make sure we got it.
Hey.
Hey, looky there. We have about 3 seconds of a song clipped illegally. Perfect. So, what do we want to do to make sure this is loud enough for the server? If you go to Effect and then click on Amplify in Audacity, you can make sure it'll automatically make it as loud as possible as long as Allow Clipping isn't checked without distorting the audio. So that means you'll get it as loud as possible without distorting it. So you click OK, and look at that. It's significantly louder now. So, when you're ready to export the file, just click File up here, then click Export Audio, and then you're going to be greeted with this pop-up menu where you can pick from the files, but you're not going to be picking. Obviously, you're going to just be saving a file, so you're going to punch in the file name. Then you're going to pick MP3 from the drop-down menu of file types. And then you're going to want to go to the options menu here to pick the quality. It has to be at least 128 or lower. So if you're having trouble fitting in a bind because it's too long, you're going to want to pick a lower quality. But 128 is the highest quality you can pick. So we'll pick that. And then you're going to want to make it stereo, and obviously it's already stereo, so we're cool with that. And then we'll just click save whenever you're ready. So yeah, that's how you make a bind in Audacity for BlueBot. And without further ado, you should get out there and go make one yourself, because Lord knows I can't help you any further than this. Good luck, God help you.